Hello everyone, welcome to SmartSafe channel. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to be talking about the maintenance and precautions for the machine AC519. This is crucial for ensuring the long-term stable operations of the products. First, let's look at the common alerts of the machine. When an issue happens, the machine will pop out an alert code. And these alert codes can help users quickly identify issues and making it easier for customers to use the machines. And we can check the alert codes in the system settings. In the help interface, for example, W01, it means that there is insufficient refrigerant in the main tank. Please add an appropriate amount of refrigerant. And below here, it shows that why this issue happened and how can we solve it. And for W02, it means that the main tank is full of refrigerant. Please transfer the refrigerant in the tank to other tanks. And below here, it also shows that why this issue happened and how to solve it. And there are totally 13 alert codes here. And these alert codes help us quickly identify these issues and help us to operate the machines. Next, let me introduce the positions and functions of the solenoid valves. From valve 1 to valve 9. The valve 1 used for high pressure recovery, and valve 2, low pressure recovery. Valve 3 used for add new oil, valve 4 used for vacuum, valve 5 low pressure charge, and valve 6 high pressure charge, valve 6 exhaust relief, and valve 8 in here drain old oil, and valve 9 compressor oil return. In factory mode, the solenoid valves can be operated. To enter factory mode, we first turn off the machine and then turn it on while pressing the enter button and the right button simultaneously. And here we enter the factory mode. Now let's see the daily maintenance operations. Empty the oil bottle promptly. Clean the filter joints in the oil bottle regularly at least once a month to prevent hose rupture due to clogging. And second, keep the display clean. Do not use volatile or corrosive liquids for cleaning. And 3, avoid exposure to rain or direct sunlight and cover the machine when not in use. Now let's talk about common maintenance tasks, including replacing the dryer filter, calibrating the electronic scale, and maintaining the solenoid valves. First, the most common task, replacing the dryer filter. It absorbs moisture from the refrigerant and filters out impurities. When refrigerant recovery exceeds 60 kilograms, the system will promote you to replace the dryer filter. Click to enter the maintenance menu, enter the code, and follow the on-screen instructions. To perform calibration operations, follow these steps. First, you enter system settings to the maintenance and select electronic scale calibration and input the calibration code 1000 and follow the instructions to complete the calibration. So the calibration is successful. Now let's see the solenoid valves maintenance. You should hear a click sound when it operates. Place a metal screwdriver on the top of the valve. There should be a slight magnetic attraction. If there is magnetic attraction but no sound, it means there are foreign objects inside the valves or the seal pad is aging, which requires cleaning or replacing the solenoid valve pilot head. If there is no magnetic attraction, check the corresponding solenoid valve control line and power supply. Today, we have covered the maintenance steps and precautions for the AC519, covering daily maintenance, solenoid valves maintenance, dryer filter replacement, and as well as electronic scale calibration. I hope this information is helpful to you. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or experience wants to share, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Austin. See you next time.